open some lippies, so let's go. And I opened all of them. I'll come back when I'm done opening them. I opened all of them.
That's where you should have gone.
I want to know why is this thicker than this? Thicker than this. The applicator is the same as all of them, but it's still kind of pretty, I think. Just want to let you know, these are Summer Friday dupe. And I think this one's like the lotion of Summer Friday. These are all the bags too. And these are all the lippies. I gotta go.